Hey everybody, what's going on? Today, here's another section of my vacuums and floor care videos. I bring you here a classic upright Hoover. The Hoover Power Drive, self-propelled, energy efficient, with a breathe easy system. This has been a really good classic vacuum up here. It's hard to get it open, but you have all your tools and attachments. This one takes Y type or Z type bags, and anyone could fit this thing. Carpet out adjustment, brush edge cleaning, uses only 7.8 amps. Really nice. It's got only a 12-inch cleaning path. Must be. Well, that is good for getting in tight spots. Hey, here's your hose and stuff. There's a little hose compartment that it can hook right into. I'll show that later in its appropriate part in the video. Right up here, you have your self-propelled drive control, and you can shut it off like that. And there's the power switch right here. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you in action. It does have dual release pedals. I'll show that. And here we go. It's actually a really good vacuum, even though it's really old. So here's an example for bare floors. Cleans up really nice. Now I'll go back to the carpeted area. I'll shut it off for just a second. And I'll show you the tools in action. Hook the hose up. Right here you have your extension wand. Hooks in like that. Show you the attachments up here. Here's its upholstery nozzle. I'll show that. Put the crevice tool back in. Take the extension wand off. Now I'll go ahead and put the hose back on its rack. Alright, hope you all enjoyed the video.